Okay, we are finding the percent increase, decrease in problems. And our first example is the amount of sick people dropped from 50,000 to 10,000. Find the percent decrease. So we're going to use our formula here. To find the percent increase, decrease, we are going to start off by subtracting. We're going to take the original amount minus the new amount. And then we're going to divide that by the original amount. Okay, so the original amount of people that were sick was 50,000. Now there are 10,000 sick. So we have 50,000 minus 10,000, and we're going to divide that by the original amount, which was 50,000. So 50,000 minus 10,000 is 40,000. Divide that by 50,000. Notice this fraction reduces to 4/5, and then 4/5 changes into the decimal, 0.8, which is 80%. So there was an 80% decrease in the amount of people that were sick. Okay, our next example, we have 300 is increased by 200%. What is the resulting number? So we're going to figure out what is 300 of 200%. So we start off by multiplying 300 to 200%, and remember that 200% changes to 2. 300 times 2 is 600. 600 is representing the increased amount in 300. So we're going to have to take one more step and add the original number, 300, to 600, and that gives us our new number, which is 900.